Hey everybody, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Have I got a cool one for you today? This is a 2017 Lariat FX4 EcoBoost 4x4, one owner, clear Carfax, 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty that we're going to buy for you. And it is white gold, looks tan to me, and it has the black bench seat. Yep. A heated, cooled Lariat with the bench seat. You just don't find that. Big touch screen, has the backup turning knob thing to back the vehicle up. 5.5 foot box. It has a step in it. It is just a really nice truck. It's super clean. Has some really great options on it. You're going to find it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous